On the Garmin Tactix and the Garmin Fenix, there is a very handy feature that is called Sight and Go. What is this for? So let's say by example, I'm just right here, as you can see, and I would like to reach the bridge over there, right in front of me, right there. Or that could be, you see even further, there is an antenna on the mountain, or but well, that's a bit too far for today, so just let's go to that bridge over there. And as you can see, I can go there in straight line because there's water and I don't want to swim. So obviously, if I want to go there, I will need to use that road over there and eventually end up right there. So what I will do is, when you are on your activity, you're gonna press and hold the left button, the menu button, and this will take you to a menu. You will go down to navigation, and from there you will look for Sight and Go. Sight and Go. So I'm gonna select this, and this will show me the compass. Sorry for the wind. With the compass, the thing I will do is I will point right at the bridge. So actually, for me, the bridge is just right over there. So I'm gonna select this. And here, what I have is a straight line of 80.3 kilometers. Because, well, if we look right in front of us, I would say that the bridge is maybe at 500 meters. But that's only a guess. Maybe it's 250, maybe it's 1 kilometers, or maybe I'm totally wrong. Well, that's why I was giving the idea with the antenna on the mountain. I have absolutely no idea at which distance it is. So the goal of Sight and Go is to create you the biggest straight line of what you could see with your eyes. Maybe if you were on top of the mountain, maybe the further away you could see would be 80.3 kilometers. So let's come back here. What do we have here? 80.3 kilometers in straight line, and of course 0. If we look at the map, so let's go up here. You see on the map now there is a big straight line. So the idea is to help me to go back to that straight line to eventually reach my point, which is the bridge. So if I'm going back there, I need to follow that arrow to reach the bridge, eventually in straight line. But since I can't go directly there, I will walk into that direction. And now, as you can see, I'm a little bit off course. So, yes, the arrow tells me to go a bit on the left, because that's where my straight line here. That's where my straight line is. So let's fast forward this to a couple of meters. So now, as you can see, I'm on a trail, and the trail doesn't go into the right direction. I'm going further and further away of my straight line. But I know I will eventually reach it, because there is a trail in front of me that is going left. So as you can see, I'm now off course of 0.21 kilometers, and I need to go left to reach that point. So if I look at the map just right here, well, you can see that I'm not going into the right direction, and if I'm looking over there, I will see my famous straight line where I can see the bridge just right there. So what I will do is I will keep walking into that direction, and if I come back here, now I will go left and it will tell me to go in straight line right in front of me to reach the bridge. So I was not able to see the bridge from where I turn, but the watch tell me that I need to go left to reach the bridge. Well, it's obvious because it wasn't far away, but if I was reaching the antenna on the mountain, well, that would be pretty handy. So as you can see now, I'm still 0.2 kilometers away, off course, because I point somewhere on the bridge. And now, well, yes, I'm on the bridge. So the off course means the difference of distance I am from that straight line. So actually, since I'm on the bridge, my goal is that distance remaining. So, well, as you can see just right now, it says off course of 0.16 kilometers. But if we look right in front of me, well, we are on the bridge. So, yes, I am off course of 0.16 kilometers because I had point somewhere over there. So if I reach that destination, well, the off course will fall to zero, which would be my straight line. And if we come look over here and I go up on the map, well, I can see that right in front of me there is that straight line that is, well, accordingly to the watch, 0.17 kilometers right in front of me. So I'm about to reach that destination. So once you reach that destination, if you want to stop that kind of navigation, you will press and hold the left button, just right here, and you will go down to stop course. And this, I'm gonna say yes, and go back. And this remove the straight line from the map and the navigation part of that sight and go option. So that was it for sight and go, and I hope this was helpful.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.